What are weak date digits or ghost digits on a coin, and how much are they worth? Stay tuned to find out. This is Daniel, and you're watching Coin Help You YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my latest video. Please like, share, comment, and please click that little bell to subscribe to my channel. Today we're going to talk about ghost digits or missing digits on a coin, mostly Lincoln cents because you see it a lot. We're going to look at some images. We're going to talk about rarity and values and if it's actually a variety or not. So let's get started. I get a lot of questions, people asking about how much is a 1943 cent worth without the 4 or week 4, or how much is a Lincoln cent worth without the date digit. And one thing to note, first off, is that anyone can make up a name for a coin that looks different and make it look like some rare variety, put it up on eBay and sell it. It doesn't make it a variety. It doesn't mean it's rare. It doesn't mean it's worth anything. If you enjoy buying no date coins or coins with a partial date, then that's fine, as long as you know that this is not something that's rare. It's not an actual catalog value. Also, images can be manipulated. As you can see here, this is the same coin as the previous image. And I actually manipulated to make it look like it's missing the 4. Now there's potential there of costing someone a lot of money by touting this as some rare variety when it's not. And that's one of the things you have to watch out when you're looking at eBay and you're looking at Etsy. One of the things to note is that some Lincoln cents, like this 1946, are known for the date being struck weakly due to either a design issue or maybe it got filled in with a grease filled die. Basically, like I've said before, if two dies clash or they want to extend the life of a die or there's die wear, sometimes they'll go in and try to refinish that die and they'll try to remove the clash marks. Often they can remove parts of the date or a digit, and the compound they use to help smooth over the fields of the coin actually get clogged up into the die cavities and fails to strike a certain part of the coin. And you'll see that often on Lincoln cents. There'll be a weakness on one of the areas of the coin. And I've seen a lot of them. And you can see the 4 and the 6 on this is very weak. Now if you take this coin here and then it circulates for a number of years, sometimes this 4 and this 6 is almost non-existent. So kind of looks like a ghost. You could kind of make it up and say it looks like it's ghosted or whatever, but it's really not. Okay, it's just weak. It was never struck completely there in the first place, and it doesn't signify a rare variety because it is extremely common and is extremely minor. And another thing to look up, if you're going to do a Google search and you look up ghost date digit or numbers on cents, you'll see a lot of 40s. 1943s especially. You'll see some coins that are possibly damaged. So what you run into, you can see damaged coins struck through grease coins or a date digit that was struck weak and just worn down from circulation. That's what you find in these scenarios on these coins. Now I know sometimes you'll have a contact mark that can slide across the coin right where the date's at, and it can actually make the date look like it's another digit or make it look crooked. That's also common. Die wear is another thing. When you look at this one here, you're seeing die wear. I know it's kind of hard to see maybe in this image, but it's basically just worn down or damaged. Sometimes plating issues and things like that can cause it. So what you do, you go on eBay if you think that you have a ghost digit and you think that it's going to be worth some money and you just don't really believe what I'm trying to tell you. Well, just go down and scroll through and look it up. Here's one that was free shipping, sold for $4.99. Okay, grease die error. Okay, well, that's not completely inaccurate. Is it worth the $4.99? Well, that's up to the person who's buying it and the person who's selling it, I suppose. Here's another one. You'll see a lot of 43S's, the 4s being weak. That's just very common. There'll be other dates that you might see, but the real true test of whether this is an actual variety or not, or actually worth your time, is to go to a big auction house like Heritage Coin Auctions and type in Ghost 1943. Now, if you use the keyword ghost and you use the word 1943, any search online is going to come up with weak date digits on these coins. But when you type it into Heritage or Stacks and Bowers or in Legends, you're not going to find any of the weak dates here. They're just not rare varieties. They're interesting. They might be fun to find, but don't pay a bunch of money for a coin just because someone says it's a ghost date digit and just because they say it's rare. So I hope this helped you know the value and know what causes weak date digits on coins. And like I said, please like, share, comment. Thanks for watching my latest video, and have a great day.